this is part of the process and we will request the court, kaya nga may oral arguments tayo for the court to also balance and see the reasoning from both panels kung kinakailangan. So ang position kasi natin kailangan dahil unang-una it will give more for the courts to to appreciate all the necessary evidence for them to arrive into a sound and impartial judgment. No? So kaya gusto natin magkaroon ng whole financial picture para ma-appreciate po ng ating mga hukom yung article ng unexplained wealth. So again, we are confident in a way that based on the exception that ang sinabi po ng BIR sa box is isa sa mga exception noon para ma-release nila itong mga nire-request ng House Prosecution Panel as evidence for the court to be presented to the court ay ang impeachment trial. No? So ito na po yung impeachment trial. So again, we are not preempting whatever would be the decision of the court for as long as from the prosecution side, what we intend to do is to provide the court the whole picture of what we are saying na meron talagang unexplained wealth. So, ibabangga natin yung ITR niya sa kanyang salin para magkaroon po ng mas malawak na pag-unawa. Hindi lang po ang korte, pero ang ating taong bayan.
Pero kung how crucial po ba itong bank and tax records ni Vice President Sara Duterte, not just for the prosecution panel to, of course, present it as evidence, but of course for the whole public Filipino po?
Well, it is not that crucial in a sense that it will destroy or ruin the entire article under the unexplained wealth. What we're saying is this is just one of the piece of jigsaw puzzle kung if we liken it to a jigsaw puzzle. No, it's just one piece kasi every evidence naman can stand on its own merit. Ang sinasabi lang kasi natin dito, mas magandang magkaroon ng whole financial picture para maintindihan ng ating taong bayan at the same time ang ating mga hukom, mga senador hukom, na yung sinasabi po sa unexplained wealth, isa yun sa magiging basehan kasi ikukumpira po yun, itatali po natin yung lawful income niya doon sa kanyang diniklara sa SALN, at the same time yung mga pecuniary interest niya tulad ng mga negosyo kasi doon naman yung makikita natin doon sa kanyang binabayaran na tax sa ITR.
If the subpoena will be granted by the impeachment court, parang posible din po ba na mabago yung official sequence of presentation ng articles of impeachment? Kumbaga mauuna yung
Hindi naman.
article 2?
Well, again, yung lahat ng presentation, ilatag naman natin yan sa pagbibigay po ng impormasyon sa korte to our manifestation and even during the pre-trial brief, pre-trial conference, binigyan naman po natin yun sa impeachment trial. So hindi naman ho talaga siyang magbabago yung sequence ng presentation ng evidence including the testimony and material evidence na kinakailangan natin maipresenta sa korte. So as we go kasi may mga adjustment dyan. Pero we're not looking at a major changes in terms of the presentation of evidence.